Hello guys, uwi na kami. Hi guys. Di mo namin nakita yung clearing dun sa Malboro.
Every day you make mistakes, but heroes know that's what it takes to find themselves, to save a friend, discover true love in the end.
So magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to Northern Blossom Flower Park. Ito yung pinaka-entrance, one way lang, terraces type siya, puro pababa. Sa kabila sa exit, doon yung mag-claim yung kape at tinapay after the tour. Compliments from Northern Blossom. So wala naman po kayong time limit, kaya dahan-dahan. So yun lang po. Gets ba? Kung may katanungan, pwedeng magtanong. Thank you, enjoy your tour. Important yun.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder, harder, harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars through the floor. Now put your loving, loving, loving on me. Eh, loving on me.
Hello guys.
Uy, tayong apat,
Nandito
parang
kami sa
isa yung
Northern
team natin,
Blossom.
black and brown. Black, brown, diba? Kasunduro. Ay, colorful.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder, harder, harder for me.
Super ganda. Ito talaga gusto ko talaga itong puntahan. Last year pa. Nakita ko nga, nag-stock ako sa favorites ko. Tsaka repost ko. Hindi, kasama to. Kasama tong trip na to. So sabi ko, ay! Mapuntahan ko na siya. So ayan. Dito na si Bading. Naktayo ka dyan. Hanapin niyo kung nasan si Asia.
Siya, ikaw na pala tapos na.
Asia, okay ka?
Alis na dyan pa. Ba't
magsisira?
Oo! Tapos na!
Halika na, ikaw mauna ka na.
Uy, tama na.
Bobo mo nag...
Last na, last! Alis na dyan, mga ulo ko!
Isa pa. Ganun pose mo. Ganun pose. Tingin doon. 1, 2, and 3. Okay.
Okay. Oh, alis na! Okay na yan.
Hi! Yes! Saan ba? Dito? Grabe. Haggard. Ang cute ng aso.
Ito picture kayo?
Ako.
Every day you make mistakes, but heroes know that's what it takes to find themselves, to save a friend, discover true love in the end. When you're down, you close your eyes, build a raft of all the lies, float your troubles out to sea, be the best that you.
What's up?
Nakabili na po kami.
Mga gay. Hindi lang ako stay malaki.
And then, kakain na kami. Then, uwi na. Kakain na po kami. Saan tayo?
Sabi ko, ang bangon, sarap.
Giling-giling, giling-giling, giling no na mapunawa-tawa.
Sumayaw lang kami.
Nakisayaw lang eh.
Sumayaw lang. Alam mo gay? Alam ko. Okay, go. Taon pa lang ako. Nasundan na nito to. Grade 6, labing-dalawa na ako. Kasing dami na ng pamilya ko. Sabi mo pala, sabi mo pala, walang pera kaya pagkabag ka, ino ko, sabi mo kaming mahal mo. Sabi ko, pati kayo nagplano. Oh, maraming malusog at nag-aaral pa. Ano niyo po, pamilya.
It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be.
Lamig ng boses.